Hey you guys, today we got a packet opening of Obsidian Flames and Stellar Crown. This should be a good one. Struggled a little bit opening this pack. Finally we got to the cards. This should be a good one. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Got that Steel Energy, Carvanha, Lechonk, Fungus and Nosepass, Armarouge, Ortega, Volcanion, Snubbull Reverse Holo, Heatmor Reverse Holo. Oh, we got that Rhyme Trainer Full Art. Oh, that's a good one right there. Alright, let's get into that Stellar Crown pack here. This one was a bit hard to get into as well. Ripped it all the way down the back. There we go, we finally got to the cards. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. We're going to start off with that Fire Energy, Fletchling, Marill, Glossopore, Electabuzz, Rapidash, Vikavolt. Ah, we spoiled the end there. Velvzoo, Claydilly, Papaya Berry Reverse Holo, and that Melmetal. Nothing in this one. We did get that Rhyme Full Art Trainer. Catch you guys next time.